The TUMI Tegra-Lite 4-wheel luggage is a standout for its lightweight yet expandable design, offering up to 2 inches of additional packing space for travelers who need extra room. Its travel-friendly features include 4 spinner wheels, corner bumpers, and a 3-stage telescoping handle, ensuring smooth maneuverability and stability on any journey. Security is a priority with this luggage, as it comes equipped with a TSA-approved lock and compression straps to keep belongings safe and organized. This suitcase is engineered with 5 layers of protective materials, resulting in a remarkably durable and flexible shell that withstands impact while maintaining its sleek look. The TUMI Tegra-Lite is not only about durability and convenience, but also comes with a comprehensive warranty, covering the product for 5 years, providing peace of mind to the user. With dimensions of 552 millimeters in height, 356 millimeters in length, and 229 millimeters in width, this luggage is perfectly sized for international travel.